Well, North Texas wasn't the only area that saw severe storms overnight. A massive tornado ripped through the eastern part of Illinois, south of Chicago. Before that, the same tornadic supercell produced a twister near Pontiac, Illinois. So the supercell moved east across towns from central Illinois through northern Indiana. The severe weather also included large-sized hail, some of it reportedly more than about 5 inches in diameter in Illinois, which could set a new state record there.
Wow, that is certainly some weather that no one ever wants to experience. It's also very scary, but it's kind of a reminder that, Michael, we are in the midst of severe weather season.
Yes, that's right. I mean, we saw plenty of severe thunderstorm warnings yesterday across the country, hail, damaging winds, as well as tornadoes. But fortunately, we didn't get too bad conditions here. For this morning, we are continuing to wake up to some lingering showers hour by hour throughout this morning. I think after about 7:30, 8 o'clock, we start to dry out. We see a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures this morning are into those 60s. So we have a first alert weather day in place mainly for this morning. I think we'll likely expire that by about 8 o'clock or so. We see lingering showers this morning with some isolated storms developing out to our southeast this afternoon. So if you're about to head out right now, we're seeing some lingering showers. You might need the umbrella for the next hour or so, but then later today we start to dry out. We have that wind advisory in place. We'll see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour, and then we have a colder start on the way by Thursday. There's that cold front out to the west that slowly makes its way east and passes through later today. That cold front will spark increasing winds, but also could spark up a few isolated thunderstorms across portions of our area. We're waking up to some light rain right now in Dallas-Fort Worth. So if you're going to head out this morning, I would leave a few minutes earlier. We're dealing with those wet roadways. We're also continuing to see, again, just some delays on those roadways as well. So the rain is not helping in terms of you getting to your destination quick. Leave yourself plenty of travel time for this morning. Satellite and radar showing some lingering showers right now across Fort Worth as well as into Dallas and even out to the south. So we're generally seeing the last bit of rain really holding on across our area before things start to dry out and clear out as we move into midday. As far as how much rain we've picked up over about the last 12 hours, I mean, 1 to 3 inches of rain is pretty good. We definitely needed the rain. Our drought monitor continuing to show widespread drought conditions. Take a look at the local storm reports over the last 12 hours as well. We actually had a tornado warning into portions of Callahan County. Again, that was a tornado that was on the ground. We did have a tornado warning also into Palo Pinto County as well. Notice our drought monitor. We're abnormally dry across the Metroplex, but we are continuing to see extreme drought conditions up to our northeast. So we got the rain. It was much needed. And overall, we will continue to see not much rain chances into the forecast after today. It'll be pretty much a temperature forecast, although we do have the chance to see a few stronger to severe storms, mainly out to our southeast later today as the cold front comes through. The cold front may spark up a few storms, but it will increase our winds. We have a wind advisory in place beginning at 1 o'clock, continuing until 6 o'clock tonight. We'll see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour. That means 2 hands on the steering wheel, especially if you're driving a high-profile vehicle. Hour by hour in terms of those wind speeds, gusting up to 25 to 35 miles per hour by mid-afternoon, and then we have that severe weather risk out to our southeast with all forms of severe weather possible. Although as we move throughout the morning and throughout the day, we stay mainly dry. A few of those storms try to fire up this afternoon, but I'm not really too impressed with the severe weather risk. I really think it starts to go down. After today, it will be a temperature forecast, but you will notice we have some cooler days ahead of us. 40s when you wake up by the Thursday morning time frame. First alert 7-day forecast, 70s today, 60s for Thursday, upper 70s by Friday.